Your stomach digests food, so why does it not digest itself? Welcome to day 4 of me sharing an information that I learned from when I was a first year medical student. Our stomach is where a large digestion of food takes place, but the inside of the stomach isn't just one smooth surface. It contains multiple folds called rugae, which allows the stomach to expand when we eat and also increases the internal surface area. If we were to cut through the stomach wall, we would see different layers. We would see the mucosa, submucosa, and muscularis externa. For this video, we would be focusing on mucosa since that's where gastric ulcer begins. The mucosa isn't smooth either. It has small indentations that extend down into the stomach lining. At the surface of these indentations, we have what we know as gastric pits. And as they extend further down, they form or they become gastric glands. And gastric glands have different types of cells. One of these cells is the Chief cells, which secretes pepsinogen. Pepsinogen is an inactive enzyme. It's not active yet, which means it cannot digest proteins yet. Another important cell is the parietal cell, which secretes hydrochloric acid or HCl. This acid lowers the stomach's pH to around 1.5 to 2, which creates an acidic environment for the stomach. This acidic environment is what converts pepsinogen into pepsin. Pepsin is the active form. Pepsin can now digest proteins from the food that we eat. But here's the problem. The same acid that helps us digest protein from the foods that we eat can also damage the stomach itself. That's why the stomach has mucus cells, which produces a protective layer of mucus over the epithelium. Think of the mucus as a barrier separating the highly acidic contents of the stomach to the lining of the stomach itself. As long as there is balance between acid production and mucus production, the stomach remains healthy. However, if there is excessive acid production or reduced mucus production or damage to the protective barrier itself, such as H. pylori infection or chronic NSAID use from ibuprofen, remember I said chronic, not a one-time use, it's chronic use of NSAID, then the stomach acid can erode the epithelial lining. Over time, that erosion can reach deeper into the mucosa and form an open sore known as stomach ulcer or gastric ulcer. As the ulcer gets deeper, it can damage underlying blood vessels, which could lead to gastrointestinal bleeding. In severe cases, the ulcer can completely penetrate through the stomach wall, resulting in perforation that allows the stomach contents to leak into the peritoneal cavity, which is considered a medical emergency. A gastric ulcer develops when the stomach's protective defenses can no longer work against the stomach's digestive enzymes and the acid itself. That is all for day 4. I hope I was able to explain it well. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section and please help me grow my page. I upload videos Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, so please follow me for more videos. And if you could click on that like button. Bye. See ya.